Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are taking the while loop to the next level by exploring the real-world applications, from input validation to accumulator pattern and even flag control loops. These techniques are what make while loops truly powerful. So let's dive in. Input validation rules. Input validation loops repeatedly prompt or read input until the input satisfies one or more correctness criteria. The loop's job is to prevent invalid data from continuing through the program. So basically, input validation rules are used when user input is unreliable. Validation loops protect our program from crashes, incorrect calculations, security bugs, or garbage outputs. Let us have a look at an example on the CodeChef platform to clearly understand input validation rules in C++. Here, the program objective is validating test score. So, in sample 1, we will first put the input to be 50 and then the output should be thank you, your valid score is :50. And again, we will first put the value -5 and then 80. And the output should be invalid score must be between 0 and 100. Try again, thank you, your valid score is :80. Let's see how to do it. Hash include iostream, then using namespace std int main. Now inside main we have declared a variable int score. Then cin extraction operator score. So here using the cin command we are going to give the value of variable score in the input. So initially we decide this input value to be 50. Then we are going to run a while loop with two different conditions which we are combining using the logical OR operator. While score is less than 0 or score is greater than 100, then cout in double inverted commas, invalid score must be between 0 and 100. Try again, semicolon. Then cin, again it will take another value for the variable score, semicolon, and the while loop ends here. Then cout in double inverted commas, thank you, your valid score is : and then the value of score will be printed, semicolon, then return 0 and the main function ends here. So this means when the value of score is either greater than 100 or less than 0, then the compiler will print invalid score must be between 0 and 100. Try again, and it will ask the user to give another value for variable score. But in case the score is between 0 and 100, then it will simply print thank you, your valid score is, and it will print that value for variable score. Now here we have written 50. 50 is between 0 and 100, so it's a valid score. Let us run and see the output. So the output is thank you, your valid score is :50. Now let's check this for -5. So here the output is invalid score must be between 0 and 100. Try again, invalid score. Now let us check it for 80. Since 80 is between 0 and 100, it prints thank you, your valid score is :80. Next is accumulator pattern in while loop. An accumulator pattern maintains a running total or summary while iterating, typically adding or combining values each iteration. So why do we use it? It is commonly used in sums, counts, averages, product accumulation, or building aggregated results from streams of data. Let us have a look at the CodeChef platform program to understand the use of accumulator pattern in while loop. The program objective is accumulating positive numbers until stopped. Here in the input we will write 12, 13 and minus 1, and in the output we will get total sum of positive numbers is 25. Coming to the code, hash include iostream using namespace std semicolon. Int main, now inside the main function, int sum is equal to 0 semicolon. Here the variable sum is acting as accumulator. Int num semicolon. Then cin extraction operator num semicolon. So we have to give the value of variable num as user input when we run the program. Then while. The condition for while loop is num is greater than or equal to 0. That means num has to be any positive number. Then sum plus is equal to num, which means whatever is the value of variable num, we will add that to the value of sum, and that will be stored as the updated value for variable sum. Again, cin extraction operator num semicolon. So again we have to give another value of variable num. Again, while we'll check the condition for the updated value of num. If it is a positive number, then again sum plus is equal to num. Now whatever is the updated value of num, that will be added to the last value of variable sum, and it will be stored as the updated value for variable sum. Again, cin extraction operator num semicolon. So as long as we input a positive number as the value of num, this loop will keep on executing again and again, and when we give a negative number as user input for the value of variable num, the loop stops. Then cout in double inverted commas total sum of positive numbers colon, and then the value of variable sum will be printed semicolon. Return 0 semicolon, and the main function ends here. So first value that we have given for num is 12, then 13 and then minus 1. Now let us run the program to see the output. Total sum of positive numbers is 25. So it has just added 12 and 13, and the loop stopped when we gave minus 1 as input, because that is what the condition was. Last but not the least, flag control loop. A flag control loop uses a boolean variable, which is a flag, to control loop termination. The flag is usually set inside the loop when some internal condition is met. Okay, so why do we use flag control loops? They are useful when the stopping condition depends on complex checks or on events discovered during iteration. For example, search succeeded or error occurred, stuff like that. Now let us go to the CodeChef platform to see an example of flag control loop in C++. Program objective is finding the first number divisible by 4. Expected output, checking colon 20, first number divisible by 4 found colon 20. Coming to the code, hash include iostream, then using namespace std semicolon. Int main, inside main, bool flag is equal to true semicolon. So here flag is a variable which is acting as the flag here, and its type is boolean. That is why the value could either be true or false. Here we have assigned true. Then int number is equal to 20. While flag, that means while this condition is true. Cout in double inverted commas, checking colon, then print the value of variable number endl. So since the condition flag is true, it will print checking colon 20 because the value of variable number is 20. Then if number modulus 4 is equal to 0, flag is equal to false. Cout first number divisible by 4 found colon, value of variable number will be printed endl semicolon. Here the value of number is 20. So if we divide 20 by 4, the remainder will be 0. So condition true. Now this condition being true, the value of flag becomes false. So it will simply print First number divisible by 4 found colon and 20. Then ENDL semicolon and the if block ends here.
Else number plus plus semicolon. So this else block will be executed only if the if block condition is false. Then the else block ends here, the while loop ends here, returns 0 semicolon and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Checking colon 20, first number divisible by 4 found colon 20, which exactly matches the expected output.
Great work completing this lesson on while loop applications. These patterns are incredibly common in C++ projects. So keep practicing them on the CodeChef platform to strengthen your fundamentals. Thank you so much for watching.